Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading media. So first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. Once you open that, you simply need to click on three dots on the top right. From here you need to click on settings and scroll down and click on storage and data. And here you can see an option of media auto download, and you can see two options when using mobile data. So I do not want photos to download when using mobile data. Click on OK. And here you can see when connected on Wi-Fi. So I want to not download anything. You need to uncheck this one and all options from here. And after that, your WhatsApp will not download any media without your permission. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.